Hey, great day, guys. Sawan Belcher. This is me taking action, and I'm living the life, okay? And I want you to live the life, and I am an entrepreneur. Every day is different. I want this for you, and this is why I love being an entrepreneur. Now, I will say that being an entrepreneur is crazy. So this video is probably going to give you an amazing insight about how great life is, but at the same time, you know, we rely on ourselves, okay? We literally plant a tree, okay, and grow money every single day. And that's just a lot of responsibility. Okay, so I'm not gonna say that this is for everybody because it's not, and I'm not gonna say this is easy, because it's not. But remember, if it's possible, it's for you. Okay. So I love being an entrepreneur just because it's time. Okay. I'm able to buy back my time. I'm able to make so much money that I'm able to use that funds, hire people to do something for me. I make money while I hang out with my family, while I'm at the house shooting videos. Okay. While I'm just chilling, kind of doing nothing. Okay. So that is the amazing part about being an entrepreneur. I think it was like a Tuesday randomly, me and one of my good friends, we're blessed just to be able to sit here on a Tuesday at 3 o'clock without anything to, anybody, no one to actually say, hey, do I have to do this? Can I do this? Do I have to clock out, or is it my lunchtime yet? I need to go to New York. Can I take that time off? We don't have to do any of that. So that time is just amazing. And like I said, when you're able to, use those funds to buy back your time, you can win. Okay. Another thing I like about being an entrepreneur is that I get to have a positive impact, on the world. Not just my local family or not just my church. I have like a national influence. I help people from Kentucky or Texas or California, and it's just amazing how far we can actually reach and help people. A lot of people that are just working a 9 to 5, they're so stuck at work, they don't have a chance to, do so much traveling or just to shoot videos or just to, go to different networking events. A lot of people just kind of stay tight and, really don't do too much. We're able to explore, and just move on the daily. So I'm really grateful for that as an entrepreneur. And, who doesn't love money? Okay. Who doesn't love money? At the end of the day, I know that I want to make X amount, I have the ability to make over $1 million a year. And that is a blessing, so that we can be able to give, freely every single day. And that is a amazing blessing. I'm able to, and I'm able to hire people and pay them, So that is a blessing. And that's what I love about being an entrepreneur, because I'm honestly called, to employ. I'm called to, create jobs. I'm called to be a man of God and be a great husband to my wife. So I'm able to hang out at home and do some work from home. So, I'm blessed to be an entrepreneur, and I want to, stress it to you guys that you take the time to find something, maybe that you don't, love doing, but something that you like doing that can make money, like investing in real estate or starting your own, business involving real estate, a mortgage broker or appraiser or surveying company. Or maybe you want to create some kind of IT firm, just create a business, a brand that you can monetize on daily to help you make big boy money. Okay. I'm talking big money. Matter of fact, this is what I want you to do. Okay. Your monthly goal, if you were to become an entrepreneur, how much money would you want to make every single day? Comment that in the below, because you'd be surprised. I think my little cousin was telling me, hey man, I'm applying for some jobs right now. Here's what I got. Here are the 3 that chose me. One said, $12.50 an hour. Another said 13. Another said 9. Which job would you go with? And I'm thinking, man, I get paid $350 for an hour to speak to someone. So I am blessed to be an entrepreneur, and I would love for you guys to, be in that position where you can too. All you got to do is sit down and think about what you can do, what kind of business you can start, what kind of problem you can solve and add value to the market so you can start becoming an entrepreneur yourself. Okay. If you would like help becoming a real estate entrepreneur, let me know in the comments below. Hit me up on IG at This Is Me Taking Action, and I'd love to help you get to the bag. Let's get it.